How can I tell if my older home has outdated wiring?
There are a few signs that your older home might have outdated wiring. Age of the wiring. Homes built before the 1960s often have knob and tube wiring, aluminum wiring, or ungrounded wiring, which are all outdated and less safe by today's standards. Frequent circuit breaker trips. If your circuit breakers trip regularly, it could indicate that your wiring can't handle the power demands of modern appliances. Discolored or burned outlets and switches. If outlets or switches appear burned or discolored, it may be a sign of overheating or arcing due to outdated or faulty wiring. Flickering or dimming lights. Lights that dim or flicker when other appliances are in use could point to an overloaded or failing wiring system. Two-prong outlets. Homes with ungrounded two-prong outlets instead of modern three-prong ones might have outdated wiring. If your home still has an old fuse box instead of a circuit breaker panel, or if the panel itself is outdated, it's a good idea to get your wiring inspected. If you notice any of these issues, it's wise to get a professional evaluation. This will help you understand your options, from rewiring a single room to a full home upgrade, which can also improve safety and potentially increase your home's value.
So I think that's a pretty good answer from AI. Covered most things. In the comments, let me know what you think. Thank you.